In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Amazon gift card for shopping. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to manage and use your Amazon gift cards on the website at www.amazon.com or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you pick, you will be able to manage your gift card balance and shop for whatever items you want. If you are doing this process on the website, as I'm demonstrating here, you have two ways of doing this. You can hover over your name and go to your account page, and in here you will have a section dedicated to gift cards. As you can see, gift cards, view balance or redeem a card. When you click this option, you will be able to select redeem a gift card or reload your balance if you wish to buy a gift card. As long as you select redeem a gift card, you will be able to input the gift card code over here and apply the balance to your account. As you can see, they have guides teaching you how to find this code if necessary, and you can keep track of your history over here. After you input the gift card and you have the balance, you can proceed to checkout. You also have the second option, which I'm going to demonstrate now. If you proceed to checkout without going to your profile page, you can simply input the gift card over here. If you already have balance, it will appear listed here next to this option, and you will be able to use it to pay for whatever item you are buying, or simply include the code here and apply. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Amazon gift card for shopping. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.